Hey everybody, this is a 1985 Hunter original ceiling fan in chestnut brown finish. I picked this fan up off of Craigslist, I guess about a year ago for a pretty good price. This is my favorite version of the Hunter original with the 4 solid wood blades, the 1.1 amp 3-speed reversible motor with the reverse switch on top. Yeah, it's just, the solid wood blades just make it. They're so much more pretty than the plywood blades with the paper overlay that came about 3 years later. There's nothing wrong with those blades, it's just they're not as good looking. I really wish these blades were wingset though, but what can you do? So yeah, I will go ahead and start it up on low. Nice aesthetic low. Would be very appropriate for a restaurant. Bump it up to medium. When I got this fan, I found it sitting on its blades, and as a result, it was pretty unbalanced. The blade brackets were bent. I was able to bend the brackets back without breaking them, which is great. And now it's pretty well balanced. There is a slight wobble, but it's no big deal. And high. This fan was complete except for the switch cap. It came with a generic turtle fitter, excuse me. I took that off and put this genuine Hunter light kit on. Well, just the fitter is genuine. I don't know about the glass. I don't have the light hooked up. It's just for looks. And yeah, I mean, you can't deny the power of a Hunter original. It moves a ton of air. Really among the best residential fans. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. Alright folks, that was the 1985 Hunter original. I hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more to come very soon. Stay tuned.